Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got ACD in the building and he's giving away free watch faces. So if you like free, then ACD has you covered. Now let's take a look at this watch face. We had two in the lineup. This one is called Spartan Elegance, a very nice looking digital watch face. Not a bad look at all. In the AOD mode, you're gonna get a nice look as well. But when the watch face is on, this is what you're greeted with. You got your steps here, battery info on the other side. You got your digital time, which is in 24 hours, your minutes in the center, that's gonna be your hour, your day of the week, your month and your date, which isn't a bad look. I like this. Then you get your heart rate down at the bottom. Now, this has a gyro effect, so these little dots that's going around the bezel of the watch moves and lights up in different parts of the watch as you move your wrist, which isn't a bad look. I like it. So you can double tap and change the color of the watch. Get a few colors in all that you can customize this to whatever it is you're wearing. All right, you all, that's it for number one. Let's check out watch face number two. Watch face number two is called Spartan. Now, Spartan favors the first one, Spartan Elegance, but it's different. You don't get that background theme as you do in number one, but this one still looks good. It looks the same. You're gonna pretty much get the same always on mode for the most part. And when the watch face is on, the only difference between Spartan Elegance and Spartan pretty much is the gyro effect. This one doesn't have it, which to me, I think this one looks a lot better than Spartan Elegance. That's just in my opinion. Okay, now, if I double tap, because you're gonna get everything that you would normally get in Spartan Elegance in this one so far as your information is concerned. But the colors look different. I think they look a lot nicer, a lot richer, and you don't have that gyro effect in this one. So what do you think, people? You gonna go download? Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you're gonna go download it this weekend. And with that, that's gonna be it for the video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button. And if you wanna see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.